If you're considering granting someone a power of attorney, it's important to understand the potential disadvantages that come along with it. Here are a few things to keep in mind if you are giving someone a power of attorney. First, a power of attorney can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can be incredibly helpful to have someone who can make decisions for you if you're incapacitated or unable to do something by yourself. However, on the other hand, if you grant someone too much power, they may be able to make decisions that you don't agree with or that go against your wishes. So it's important to choose someone you trust implicitly and to be very clear about what powers you're granting them. Second, a power of attorney can be abused. Unfortunately, there are cases where someone with power of attorney has taken advantage of the situation and used their position to steal money or assets from the person they're supposed to be helping. This is why it is so important to choose someone you trust completely and to have safeguards in place to prevent abuse. Third, a power of attorney can be difficult to revoke. Once you've granted someone power of attorney, it can be hard to take it away if you change your mind. This is especially true if the person that you've given it to is unwilling to give it up voluntarily. So it's important to think carefully before granting power of attorney and to be sure that you're comfortable with the arrangement and with who you are working with. Fourth, a power of attorney can be costly. Depending on the specific powers you grant and the state you live in, there may be fees involved in creating and registering a power of attorney. Additionally, if you need legal help to enforce or revoke a power of attorney, well, that can also be expensive. Finally, a power of attorney can be a source of conflict. If you have multiple family members or loved ones who want to be in charge of your affairs, well, granting power of attorney to one person can create tension and resentment. It's important to communicate clearly with everyone involved and to be transparent about why you've made the decisions that you have. In summary, a power of attorney can be a powerful tool, but it's not without its potential downsides. If you're considering granting someone a power of attorney, it's important to be aware of these potential pitfalls and to make an informed decision. If you do have these questions, please, we encourage you to click below with an appointment with our firm so that we can help explain what a power of attorney does and make sure that is the best tool for you and your family.